Hey everybody, it's Jimmy from the DIY and Digital, and I've got a quick preview of what's coming up this week and next week on my channel, plus a quick tip for you guys. So this week on my channel, I have my 50th episode special where I'm going to be taking you guys behind the scenes of the production that I do. Now, I have moved into a new house and I'm going to be having a new studio, and I'll show you guys that as soon as I get it up and running. But this is a video shot at my old house with my old studio, and I just thought it'd be a great behind the scenes for you guys, especially you YouTube model railroaders that really want to improve your product, and you can see how I do it. So that's what's coming up this week. Then next week, I'm going to be doing an announcement for the rules for the 5,000 subscriber contest, and I've also got a great Arduino Mega kit to review. For those of you, you know I use the Arduino a lot, but I don't do too much with the Mega, but the Mega opens up a lot of possibilities. So I'm going to be reviewing a starter kit for the Mega. And that's what's coming up next week. Now, on to my quick tip. My quick tip this week is to know what type of glue to use where. There's a lot of different glues that you can use in model railroading. There's plastic welding, there's white glue, there's latex caulk, there's all sorts of materials. Typically with scenic materials, I like to use white glue or scenic cement. They're really, really close in terms of what makes them up. For building models, I like model glue, or I sometimes use plastic weld, but you have to be careful with that. And for putting the base foundation of scenery together, I like to use latex caulk. So that's my quick tip for this week. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any updates or quick tips like this video. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Happy railroading!